Did you know newborns often sneeze right after birth? It's not because they're sick, it's a natural reflex. Right after delivery, their nose may still have amniotic fluid or mucus. Newborns have tiny noses that clog easily, so sneezing clears them. Sneezing helps remove dust, mucus, and leftover fluid, a built-in defense. It's how babies adjust to breathing air. Sneezing a few times a day is totally normal. If there's no fever or trouble breathing, don't worry. Subscribe and keep learning together.